What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. I'm finna go change this ignition switch in the K1500. Listen, I know that y'all tired of seeing this white truck. You know what I'm saying? But when I got it, if y'all go back, check out my previous videos. It was in bad shape when I got it. But no need to worry. The Tahoe is right here. It's right here. It's just that there's some more things that I need to do to it. Like, I'm saving up for the paint job. I definitely got to get it painted. And then I hadn't really been driving it because I believe the hub assemblies are bad in the front. So when I had the front end rebuilt, because I did not have this shop when I had the front end rebuilt. So I did not get them to replace the hub assemblies. But I am going to get the hub assemblies. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm going to put the hub assemblies on it. And I'm still kind of in a toss-up. I don't know if I want to put the 3 to 4 inch lift kit on this or put it on this. I'm still in the toss-up. I know I said I was gonna put it on that right there, but whichever one gets the 3 to 4 inch lift kit, the other one is gonna get like a 7 to 9. You know what I'm saying? So those are my plans. So I really just been leaning towards putting it on this right here because this got a 3 inch body lift. If I put another 3 to 4 inches on that and max it out at 4, that'll give me 7. Yeah, if my math is right, that'll give me 7 inches of lift. So maybe it's going on that. I'm still in the toss up, but she right here. You know what I'm saying? She right here. She ain't going nowhere, man. And I gotta get, I need that seat put in. Listen, just stay tuned. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna do to this right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the headliner. I need to put that seat in there, but I'm not gonna just throw that seat in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shampoo that seat because the back seat is pretty much flawless. And I want to take everything out. That speaker box is in the back. It's got to go. I'm gonna get on it. Gang. But my thing is, I got to get this right here. I got to get this white truck to where I'm happy with it. You know what I'm saying? The Tahoe really ain't bothering me. It really ain't bothering me at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Like, when stuff irks me, I'm on it. I be on it because I don't want it irking me. Kind of like this 1500. The bumper was irking me, and now the ball joints, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't with it. I ain't with it, gang. You know what I'm saying? That's why, and then, like, I like the window tint. I like how dark the window tint was on it. And that's why when I pulled the old window tint off, I wasn't gonna pull the old window tint off until I had somebody locked in to do it the right way. And then, yeah. And then I cleaned my shop up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because it was terrible. And I'm still in the middle of cleaning the shop. I'm still in the middle of it, but it was dirty. And y'all didn't want to see that. So I still gotta put all this stuff up. I need a shelf, man. Like, I need some shelves. You know what I'm saying? I'd like to get some shelves up here. That way I could put some chemicals up there and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And put all those parts away because those are just spare parts. Those are parts to the green car. And you see I got the green car loaded down with crap, but whatever. Got my dad's bike right there. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I got my table cleared off, you know, so yeah. So I'm probably gonna I'm probably gonna pull the white truck in and replace the ignition switch, because when I got the windows tinted, the guy was like, it started fine, but whenever I went to go pick it up, he couldn't get it started. And like you gotta like jiggle, you gotta jiggle it, you know what I'm saying, for it to start. Which where's my keys at? Do I got my keys on me? Yeah, I got them. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm getting ready to pull it in, but like you gotta jiggle it. You gotta jiggle it for it to start, you know? And it's like I got it down to a science, you know what I'm saying? But so see, it don't want to turn. You see that? Hold on, let me make sure y'all can see that. I know it's dark, but see, it won't turn, right? See that? It won't turn at all. And then my big head in the way. Okay, here we go. So, y'all see it won't turn, right? It won't turn, but, oh, come on, light. But if I jiggle this mug like this, and then I believe I need a doggone fuel pump. I think I need a fuel pump or a fuel filter. Either way, I'm finna be replacing them both. Yes, I am. Let's pull on in here. Let's pull on in here. Yeah. Stop it right. Yep. Yeah. I think I need a doggone fuel pump. But this is the there ain't even a part number on this thing. Ain't even a part number. This is an Amazon special. It definitely is. It's an Amazon special. Came with 2 keys, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and install this, because I can't be jiggling the doggone key every time I need to start it, you know. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. So and you can see that I'm halfway there. This cover right here is in the back. It was already off when I got the truck. Just like this trim right here. And I'm pretty sure I had that trim. I know I did, but when John got the guy to put the motor in it, the motor was in it, but he got like 2 different guys to put the motor in it. You know what I'm saying? And I think one of them ran off with that back piece, because I helped John take this truck apart and we put it all back together. So the interior, the original interior, it was blue. It was blue, and the guy had spray painted a bunch of stuff red like that. You see what I'm saying? Like, so that was spray painted red. I think the bezel right here was spray painted red. It was just a bunch of red stuff that he had spray painted red. Like, he just tweaked out with a spray paint can and went to painting all kinds of crap. And, you know, it's all right if it's tastefully done, but like, if you're just doing stuff just to be doing stuff, man, like, stay out of the spray paint can section. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm finna, it's only gonna take me like 2 seconds to take this ignition switch out and put the new one in. But I gotta disconnect the battery for sure. So that's what I'm finna do. Yep. Make sure I got my keys. Yeah. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. And then this thing right here, it's got a small oil leak. See it right there? See it right there? Yeah, I can't deal. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know where that's coming from. It may be coming from because I haven't got under there and looked. You know what I'm saying? But I eventually will get under there and look. I ain't gonna run it dry. But it only drips just a little bit after I run it. So it's just small stuff like that right there, man, that I gotta get it buttoned up. My coolant is still good. And it's like this firewall, man, I'm gonna have to degrease this firewall. I'm definitely gonna have to degrease it because it's almost like the dude who had it before John caught the dang thing on fire. So it is what it is. That's what it looked like to me. Like this mug was on fire, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. What was I doing under here? I had a brain fart. Oh, disconnecting the battery. Yeah, that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna disconnect that battery and then I'll be back. All right, got that battery disconnected. I only disconnected the negative side. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just make sure it's out of the way and it ain't gonna move. Yeah. Okay, so in order to do this, I'm probably gonna need a pick set, which I do have, but I moved everything. I moved everything yesterday, so I can't find it. Oh, look at that! It's right there. So I'm gonna need this pick set. Right. I'm gonna need that one. That's the one I'm gonna need. As you can see, I have used it. It's all janky and crooked, but it's gonna work for what I need. Yeah. So let's get in here. Let's get in here. No power because I disconnected the battery. But normally you would take the screws out of the bottom of this, pull this off, and you'd have to take the steering wheel off too, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not taking the steering wheel off. I'm gonna skate by. That's what I'm gonna do and put it in there. Okay, I skated it. There it is right there. I skated right by. Yeah, but here's the hole right here. Here's the hole. See that hole right there? So I'm gonna have to put the key in there. I'm gonna have to stick the key in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stick the key in there. I believe turn the key on and then it'll release. Hold on. Let me set you guys down real quick. Okay, so that mug right there is crusty, dusty, busty. Yeah, it's crusty, dusty, and busty. But I ended up having to switch to a straight pick. A straight pick was the one that got it because the curved pick, I don't know, maybe I wasn't holding my mouth right. But anyway, that's what I did. Now I'm gonna slide this new one in there. We're gonna see what to do. Put everything back together. Yep. That's what we're gonna do. So once I get it in there, I'll be back. I'll make sure y'all put the cover back on first. Make sure you put the cover back on first before you put the key switch in there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. I got it put together. She look all right if y'all can see that. She look okay. And I skated it. I skated everything. The one video I watched talking about something, you gotta take the steering wheel off. I mean, you can if you want to, but to get this cover off, I never would imagine that you would have to take the doggone steering wheel off. Just put the steering wheel all the way down. Just put it all the way down, and then you can kind of skate it with a screwdriver. I didn't break nothing. It's on there. Yeah, it is definitely on there, and the key works. Oh yeah, I could just Oh yeah, I could just turn that joker. Yeah. Let me hook the battery back up so we can see what we're working with. Oh yeah, we in there. Well, no jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. No more jiggly. Yeah. All right, so I'm calling it quits for the night. You know, I came out here and did what I was gonna do. Yeah, slayed it. But if y'all haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button. Yeah. And comment if you want to, man. You know what I'm saying? I typically respond to all the commenters, you know what I'm saying? Because I value you guys' opinion. You know, I value it, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man. The Tahoe, she's sitting over there. She is marked as being safe. She's marked as being safe, but I want some paint on her, man. I really do. I really want some paint on her. You know, I do, man. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to paint it the original color or I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I do know I'm gonna add a lower valance to it. Yeah, that's coming next. Look, got the valance up there. Got the valance. She's up there chilling because remember, they sent me two. Or I ordered two by mistake because, you know, I'm slow like that. You know what I'm saying? So I ordered two. I didn't want to order two. I just wanted to order the one. You know what I'm saying? But I ordered two. So I'm going to put the other one on there. Because I think I don't want to get rid of the bull bar. I want to do the valance and the bull bar. So I'm probably going to have to readjust that bull bar. But that's probably going to be, that may be later on in this video right here. It may be later on in this video right here if I don't decide to go ahead and upload it. So, them doggone lights ain't going on. I want to kill my battery, you know. Doggone lights ain't going off in that truck. Anyway, y'all hit that subscribe button for your boy, man. And I don't think I'm going to end this video yet. So, whatever I decide to do tomorrow, it'll be coming up after this. I lied. I'm ending it. I'm ending it right now. Y'all gonna have to catch the rest of that stuff in the next video. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace.